All right, folks, if you're using Hermes Agent 24/7, especially if you're on VPS, then your state database is growing really fast. And what ends up happening is maybe your memory usage or your CPU usage might be blowing up. And that's what might be causing some of those regressions for your Hermes Agent. Or maybe even it might be running too slow. So today, Technium here released a big update for Hermes Agent, which is sessions pruning. And I can't believe now this came up. And this is really important feature to be managing the disk space of your agent. So it's not flashy, but it is exactly what you need to keep your agent lean, fast, and ready to recall. So we're going to show you how I'm using this and why this is a big deal for you, especially if you're running your Hermes Agent on VPS. Okay, so why sessions pruning is a very big deal is because of the fact that Hermes Agent can self-improve over time, right? Your agent can maintain persistent memory across every session you ever had, and that's the strength, but that can also be the problem because what happens under the hood here is your Hermes stores every session in a local SQLite database. And if you're not using another memory provider like Honcho to offload a lot of that memory, and you're just purely relying on the built-in SQLite database, then all of that gets logged, right? Every chat, every tool call, every reset, and over time, that file can really become insanely big, right? And as a result, a typical install with around 1,000 sessions can hit 384 megabytes. And that bloat slows down the FTS5 inserts, making your resume listing feel a bit sluggish, and you waste a lot of the disk space on conversations that are already dead. So the fix here is session pruning. This gives you a controlled way to delete ended sessions, ones that you explicitly closed or that auto reset. So it's a very important distinction here. Pruning only deletes ended sessions, which are explicitly ended or auto reset. So we'll show you in a bit how to see that. And it's very important to know that the active sessions are never pruned. So any ongoing projects that you're working with your agent knows not to prune those yet because you're still working on them. So there's basically two modes here. One is the manual pruning using the CLI for on-demand cleanup. All of these commands you can run on CLI. I'll show you in a bit which ones that I'm using. Or you can do automatic pruning. So where you see that is you can go to the config YAML file, or even easier, just come to the Hermes dashboard, go to config, to agent, and then scroll down until you see auto prune. So right here, auto prune, mine is toggled on, and the default retention days here is 7, which is I think a little bit too short. You can have it up to 30 or even 90. I think that's a very solid default. So by having this on, the sweep runs at startup and checks at almost like every 24 hours. So there's 0 performance hit while you're working. Now, if you want to do this manually, the easiest command you can do is just run Hermes sessions prune in CLI. But before you do that, know that this is a default to delete ended sessions older than 90 days. So if you really don't know what's going on, what you can do is attach a dry run at Hermes sessions prune to preview what would be deleted without deleting anything. So you can even have a custom age threshold. So anything without H is considered days. So if I want to preview what gets pruned for the sessions that are older than 30 days, as you can see, I have 4 CLI sessions using DeepSeek V4 Pro, and it contains a lot of the messages. And you can see here, dry run, nothing gets deleted. So if I'm satisfied with this, and I think that all of these projects have already been resolved, there's nothing for me to continue on in these sessions, then it's very important that you prune these to clean up the disk space of your server. If you want to delete a specific time window, especially the ones that are very new, you can even go for Hermes sessions prune, newer than 5 hours. So really the takeaway here is if you want to see how much gunk you have from your Hermes agent, the best way to check is just by going Hermes sessions prune older than 30, or even just Hermes sessions prune, attach it with dry run, and then you'll see a whole list of the ended sessions with your Hermes agent. So as you become familiar with sessions pruning, you'll realize that your database will be able to stay a lot faster. Operations like full text search and resume stay snappy. Second, the disk reclaim, the vacuum command. So there's actually a command line called vacuum after prune, which you can toggle on to true. You can even just check it as well in your config YAML or on your Hermes dashboard. And what this does is it shrinks the SQLite file on disk. So the vacuum command gives you some space back, not just empty rows. Third, you got zero disruption, so your active sessions are never pruned, so you will not lose ongoing work. And finally, fast recall, so search stays useful because the stale data is not cluttering the index. Now, additionally, there's other ways for you to find ended sessions on the CLI by querying the SQLite database directly, but honestly, this is quite inconvenient. Just do the same method I did, which is just preview the dry run, okay, from the Hermes sessions list, and then you'll know which ones are ended sessions. So all in all, this is a very big deal if you're running your Hermes agent on a VPS like us, because a bloated state database on a small server, let's say 1 vCPU and 2 GB RAM, is a big problem over time. I know that most people go for the cheaper options first. They start small and then they start to scale if they really need the space. So a way for you to manage that and run your agent long term is to be able to prune, because if you don't prune, you risk the database growing until it degrades performance or fills your disk. Because what ends up happening is, maybe you might notice your CPU usage or your memory usage will spike really high. You would think it's rate limits from your model, but another case could be because your server is blowing up. So you need to prune, just like how you would clear your browser history, just to clear off that disk space, right? So if you don't know about pruning, now you know. This is a very useful practical tip that you should be doing every days or so, not necessarily every day, but know that this is behind the curtains that really makes your Hermes function consistently well and fast. So if you find this video helpful, smash up the like button, subscribe to the channel to follow for more updates, guides, and news. My name is Ron. Shana now.